Look at these chilies, bright red, glossy, and growing right here in my backyard. In this video, I'll show you every step, from one tiny seed to a full harvest. And you don't even need to buy seeds. Just slice open one ripe red chili, and inside you'll find rows of seeds ready to grow a whole new plant. Scrape the pale, flat chili seeds out onto a plate. A single chili can give you dozens of seeds, way more than you'll actually need to start. Spread the chili seeds on a paper towel and let them dry completely for a couple of days. Fully dry seeds germinate more reliably and store much better. Plant the chili seeds about half a centimeter deep in warm, loose seed starting mix. Chilies love heat, so the warmer the spot, the faster they sprout. Mist the soil and cover the pots with a clear dome to lock in warmth and humidity. Chili seeds germinate best around 25 to 30 degrees Celsius. Be patient, this can take 1 to 2 weeks. And there it is, the first chili sprout. Remove the dome right away and give it plenty of light. Rotate your chili seedlings a half turn every few days so they grow straight and even. Strong, well-lit seedlings become the healthiest, most productive plants later. Once your seedling has a few true leaves, move it into a slightly bigger pot. More room now means a much stronger root system down the line. While the seedlings grow, prepare your planting spot. Chilies need full sun for at least 6 hours a day, so pick the sunniest corner of the garden. Chilies love rich soil. Mix in plenty of compost to feed the bed. Good soil now means stronger plants and a much bigger harvest later on. Dig small, evenly spaced holes about 40 centimeters apart. Giving each chili plant enough room helps air flow freely and keeps the plants healthy. Before planting outside, harden off your chili seedling for about a week. A few hours outdoors each day helps it adjust gently to sun and wind. Now transplant your chili seedling into the prepared hole. Firm the soil gently around the base and give your young plant a strong, settled start. Water your new chili plants gently right after planting. Keep the soil evenly moist while they settle in. Chilies dislike both drought and soggy soil. Tuck straw mulch around the base of each chili plant, keeping it away from the stem. Mulch locks in moisture and keeps weeds from competing for nutrients. Feed your chili plants every 2 to 3 weeks with a balanced liquid fertilizer. Steady feeding builds strong branches that can hold lots of fruit later. Here's a great tip. Pinch off the very top of a young chili plant. This simple trick forces it to grow bushier with way more fruiting branches. Once the plant gets bushy and starts loading up with fruit, give it a little support. A simple wooden stake keeps heavy branches from bending or snapping. Tie the main stem loosely to the stake with a soft garden tie. This gives your chili plant the support it needs as the fruit gets heavier. And here they come, small, white, star-shaped chili flowers blooming all over the plant. Every single flower has the potential to become a brand new chili. Chili flowers can pollinate themselves, but a gentle helping hand improves things. Move pollen between flowers with a soft brush for a bigger, more reliable harvest. Success! Right where each flower bloomed, a tiny, slender green chili begins to form. From here, it grows quickly, and there's usually plenty more where that came from. Look how loaded this plant is. Chili plants are incredibly productive. One healthy bush can give you fruit continuously for months, not just once. Keep the water consistent while the fruit develops. Water deeply at the base and always let the topsoil dry out a little between waterings. Once fruiting begins, switch to a potassium-rich feed. This helps the chilies grow bigger and develop that deep, rich color and flavor we're looking for. Check under the chili leaves for aphids regularly. A simple soapy water spray handles most pests naturally without any harsh chemicals near your food. Now, watch the color change. Chilies transform from green to orange to that deep glossy red right before your eyes over just a couple of weeks. A ripe chili feels firm, glossy, and fully colored with no green left at all. That's exactly how you know it's ready to pick. Quick safety tip: always wear gloves when harvesting chilies. The natural oils can seriously irritate your skin, especially if you touch your eyes afterwards. Snip each ripe chili off the plant with small scissors, leaving a short stem attached. This keeps the fruit fresh for much longer after picking. Move quickly along the plant, snipping chili after chili. A single healthy bush can keep producing fruit like this for months at a time. And just look at this bowl, glossy, bright red, and completely packed with fresh chilies, all grown from just one single seed. Slice one open and look at those seeds glistening inside. This is exactly where we started, and now there's enough to grow an entire new patch. From one sliced chili to a full harvest like this, if I can grow chilies at home, you absolutely can too. Subscribe and let's grow together.